A very light welcome to all my respected teacher and everyone present here. Now I will study Surah Fatiha in English. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is for Allah, Lord of all creation, the compassionate, the merciful. Master of the day of judgment, you alone we worship, and you alone we are basis for help. Guide us to the step path, the path of those whom you have favored not of, those who have incurred your displeasure of those who have gone astray. Thank you, Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.